Using describe subject result, which Apex method can a developer use to determine if the current user can edit records for an object? A. Can update. B. Can edit. C. Is updatable. D. Is editable. Correct answer is C. Next question. A change set deployment from a sandbox to production fails due to a failure in a managed package unit test. The developer spoke with the managed package owner and they determined it is a false positive and can be ignored. What should the developer do to successfully deploy? A. Select Run Local Tests to run all tests in the org that are not in the managed package. B. Select Fast Deploy to run only the tests that are in the change set. C. Select Run Local Tests to run only the tests that are in the change set. D. Edit the managed packages unit test. Correct answer is A. Candidates are reviewed by 4 separate reviewers and their comments and scores which range from 1 lowest to 5 highest, are stored on a review record that is a detail record for a candidate. What is the best way to indicate that a combined review score of 15 or better is required to recommend that the candidate come in for an interview? A. Use a validation rule on a total score field on the candidate record that prevents a recommended field from being true if the total score is less than 15. B. Use a roll-up summary field to calculate the sum of the review scores, and store this in a total score field on the candidate. C. Use visual workflow to set a recommended field on the candidate whenever the cumulative review score is 15 or better. D. Use a workflow rule to calculate the sum of the review scores and send an email to the hiring manager when the total is 15 or better. Correct answer is D. Next question. A developer needs to find information about future methods that were invoked. From which system monitoring feature can the developer see this information? A. Scheduled jobs. B. Apex jobs. C. Background jobs. D. Asynchronous jobs. Correct answer is B. Next question. A developer declared a class as follows. Which invocation of a class method will obey the organization-wide defaults and sharing settings for the running user in the Salesforce organization? A. An Apex trigger that invokes a helper method in this class. B. A developer using the developer console that invokes a method in this class from the execute anonymous window. C. A visual force page with an Apex controller that invokes a method in this class. D. A user on an external system that has an API call into Salesforce that invokes a method in this class. Correct answer is B. Next question. When a task is created for a contact, how can a developer prevent the task from being included on the activity timeline of the contact's account record? A. In Activity Setting, uncheck Roll-up activities to a contact's primary account. B. Create a task trigger to set the account field to null. C. Use Process Builder to create a process to set the task account field to blank. D. By default, tasks do not display on the account activity timeline. Correct answer is A. Next question. What is a benefit of using a trigger framework? A. Reduces trigger execution time. B. Allows functional code to be tested by a test class. C. Increases trigger governor limits. D. Simplifies addition of context-specific logic. Correct answer is D. Next question. A developer needs to save a list of existing account records named My Accounts to the database, but the records do not contain Salesforce ID values. Only the value of a custom text field configured as an external ID with an API name of foreign_key__C is known. Which two statements enable the developer to save the records to the database without an ID? Choose 2. A. Upsert my accounts foreign_key__C. B. Upsert my accounts foreign_key__C. C. Database.upsert my accounts foreign_key__C. D. Database.upsert my accounts foreign_key__C. Correct answer is A and C.